Hey, what's up guys? Good to see y'all as always here on Grassroots Gardening. We're out in the beautiful countryside today, up at a buddy of mine's house. And today we're gonna plant some pumpkins. We're mid-July, and even as it's hot as all get out today, we're gonna attempt our hand at some pumpkins again. Now, I have tried in the past to grow pumpkins and always lose them due to fungus or just something. So we're gonna give it another shot. Aaron's got a really nice little plot of land out here. We're right up the road from Grassroots Nursery. They've got just some beautiful, beautiful pasture land out here. But we got this nice little nook up in here. It's somewhat shaded. I'm hoping that may help us with some heat. Obviously, we still need all the sun we can get to help produce the pumpkins. But I think this will be a good little spot right up in here. And the variety that we are gonna grow, the ones that I bought them last year, didn't plant them. Not sure on the germination we'll get from them since they have been in the packet for a year. But they're called Field Trip. So they're a smaller pumpkin, but they're a really good seller. A lot of kids like them, and then they also just make a nice decoration in the fall. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna prep a little bit of land. I'm not exactly sure where else we're gonna go and try to plow up, but just try a few different spots. This is an experiment, something Aaron wanted to try and something I've always wanted to be successful at. So we're gonna give it a shot out here and see how it goes. It's tilling it up decent. This is some pretty firm ground up in here, but it looks like some good well draining topsoil. So it should work out well. But we just gotta run over it a bunch of times with the plow. Try to break it up a little bit more. And what I'm hoping too is this grass that he's killing as he's plowing, we could leave it on top, and then it'll be kind of like a mulch for the pumpkins that come up. So I was just telling Aaron, this side over here looks pretty good. I think this is workable. We got some nice furrows to plant in. He's gonna come over, hit this side a few more times, and then we're gonna jump across this ditch here and maybe make a couple more passes over yonder. And then again, this is just an experiment, so we're just gonna be planting by hand today, and it's about 5 million degrees. So hopefully we won't do too many acres. But this should be a good learning experience for all of us. We'll see how it goes, and now will be a great time to hit that like and subscribe down there in the little notifications bell, because I'll keep you guys monitored on the progress of our pumpkins out here at Floyd's place, and we'll just see how this thing goes. So the two varieties of pumpkins we're going to plant up in here, the first one's going to be Field Trip, and this is that smaller pumpkin that I was telling y'all about earlier that's got the really thick stem. So again, these have been in the shed for a year, so hopefully we get the germination that we're looking for out of them. And then the second variety is some that Aaron got here locally called Sugar Pie. So we're going to plant these two. We've already marked this off 4 rows up in here. We got about a 25-foot section wide up in here, but I think this area is going to do really good because we've got just a little bit of shade in the morning and the afternoon, but plenty of sun during the day. So we're gonna get busy planting, and then we're gonna wait on some rain and hopefully have us some pumpkins. So I kind of lost my rows, but let's just go right down through. Let's go down to that deepest inch. There you are, man. And it don't matter if we don't stay on the same row, but I'll go down here and start and work back to you. All right, so we've got our whole area up in there planted, and then this perimeter cut that Aaron made with the plow, we've got it cut or planted up until around where you see the guys at now. And what we're doing, I'll show you in just a second when we get back up to the seeds, but we're just staying on top of these furrows and putting the seed in about an inch, inch and a half deep. And we're hoping that this area where the grass is really thick, that'll act as like a moisture barrier to help the seeds germinate, and then just help keep the weeds down too. Until the pumpkins, they kind of grow like watermelons, so we're kind of hoping they're just going to go out on the grass and give them some sort of blanket, if you will. So these field trip pumpkins are pretty big seed. What I'm doing is just coming here again, just staying in the top of the furrow and just making a little hole with my finger, placing the seed down in there as so, and just covering it right back up. And then we just got to wait on the rain, which there's a slight chance for some this afternoon. And due to it being 1,000 degrees out here, the camera's already cut off once due to overheating. So we're going to plant just this last little bit that you see in front of me right here, just right around the bend. Then we're going to wait on Mother Nature to come in, water them. Hopefully we'll get good germination. And 105 days from now, which is October the 21st, Siri was kind enough to give us that info. Hopefully we'll have some pumpkins. We're a little bit late on the Halloween crowd, but we're always looking for these pumpkins too for Thanksgiving decoration and stuff. So appreciate you guys hanging out with us. I hope you're in somewhere with air conditioning right now, because it is ungodly hot out here. But I'm gonna let you guys go before the camera overheats again. I appreciate you watching. Always remember, the more you know, the more you grow. We'll see you on the next video, y'all.